I'm at the New England Aquarium. There's penguins back here. Cool infographic kind of area. Oh, that's so cool. So cool. Look at the whale skeleton. That's so cool. Whoa. Oh, that's so cool.
Oh, there's another little fish.
Gar. Jellyfish. Piranha.
They bite. Well, as shown by teeth, yes, they bite.
So cool. Hey, buddy. That's so awesome. That's cool. Hey, you're curious, fella. So cool. Little puffer fish. So cool. Do I just stick my hand in?
Yeah, so just hold your hand nice and still, that way they see your hand. And once they come up, you can touch them right on the center of their backs.
The best way to get these animals to swim up to us is to leave a still, flat hand under the water, like we're waiting for a high tide.
I'm a marine biology major, so I love this stuff.
Yes, we have 7 different types of rays in here, and 4 different types of sharks in here.
Oh, awesome.
All around the world, so they're all like mostly different like tropical species, but like these ones are the Atlantic rays. They kind of like to all hang out right here. So they're from obviously from the Atlantic versus like the really big ones, the leopard webtails are like from the Pacific.
Yeah. I've been looking for volunteer opportunities, but a lot of them that are interest to me like require to already have a degree.
Well, we do tons of volunteering. and stuff, especially like in my department. We